Hey guys, it's me. I'm back. School's been kicking my ass, so that's why I haven't been uploading. I should have been uploading, shut up dog, but I haven't been because school. Anyway, here's my annual rating the cosmetics of the new upcoming season video. However, this time I'm doing it a week before instead of like 2 weeks before because again, school has been kicking my ass. Keep in mind that I'm not going to be rating the instruments or emotes because I don't really care. I'm just be reading the cosmetics because those are the things that caught my eye. Also, none of this footage is mine. I don't have beta. This actually belongs to this YouTuber. Please go subscribe to them. They're pretty cool. I don't know how to pronounce their name, but they're on screen. Subscribe to them now. Okay, let's go. I really like this cape. It appears to have a hood, if you watch the video. It appears to have a hood on the back of it. I really wish that it was a little more symmetrical, but nonetheless, it's adorable, and I will be using it. Because guess what, baby? I got the pass. I got the adventure pass because I begged my mom. I gave her money. She bought it. We're fine. I have the adventure pass. Give me rich boy privileges now. Next is this neat little butterfly cape one. I really like it. It reminds me of the one we got in Sanctuary, but less butterfly, but also more butterfly at the same time. I really like this stew pot hat thing. It's adorable. This entire season really just reminds me of childhood wonder. Like, you have a treehouse in the backyard, it's raining on a Saturday, you're hanging out with your friends inside, you're reading stories. It just has that whole childlike vibe, and I really like it. The fluffy hair paired with the flower crown and the braid, it's really cute and I really like it. It looks like my mom's hair though, but that's okay. She doesn't play Sky. I don't know why I said that. I really like the dreadlock hairstyles that they're implementing, even though it's a seasonal one. I really like them. They're adorable. I like this ponytail one a lot. That's really all I have to say. My heart bleeds black blood for you, and it's like a lock that will never be unchained. That's what this hairstyle screams at me. I will wear it all the time. This one's giving me a little too much Little House on the Prairie. Hard fucking pass. This is what my hair looks like now. That's a little sus.
Fucking bitch.
I'm pretty sure this is one of the ultimate rewards for the season. It's a little jarring to look at, but you know what? So are all the ultimate rewards of every single season. So I'll let it pass. Patch 1. See, I'm getting a lot of anime and childhood vibes from this. I don't know. Cute nonetheless. Stick mask. Stick mask! Are you kidding me? This is the cutest thing ever. Stick mask with no sticks. What will he do? Commit larceny. YouTuber didn't have a good picture of the mask design, so literally, God knows. And these next two really just look like light seekers masks, but inverted. I'm not complaining, they look nice or whatever, but it's just the light seekers masks inverted. And finally, the cosmetic that is the reason I begged my mother to buy me the pass. The pants, baby. Look at this shit. This is what I mean. Like, this is everything. Anything you could want in a video game is right here. I love overalls. It just works so well. The shorter sleeves, it cuts off right at the middle of the calf. And the boots, oh, the boots. This is literally all I want and more in any form of cosmetic. Please, chef's kiss, 1,000 out of 10. I realize I haven't been rating them. And this is the last cosmetic. I am the most intelligent person on this planet, I swear. That's it for today's video. Why don't you like the video? Why don't you smash the like button? Why you do that shit? I don't get paid for this. I love y'all. I don't know any of you. I love y'all. Alright, I'm going back to watching Rambu's stream now. Bye.